Let's make delicious steam drumstick recipe today. It's so much satisfying with chicken, mushrooms, and rich chicken mushroom soup. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime you like in the future. Prepare ingredients: seasoned black fungus and mushroom with oyster sauce, light soy sauce, and sesame oil. Add enoki mushrooms and chicken steam. Sprinkle red dates and goji berries, then steam for 25 minutes. Plate it in bowl. The soup looks so appetizing, yummy. Delicious steamed mushroom chicken is done. The chicken is tender, and the soup is rich and delicious, perfect for rice. Hope you like my recipe sharing. I have thousands of recipes in my channel. Follow my channel now so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. Bye bye.